Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential problem, that is 64 to the power x is equal to x to the power 192. So we have to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, first of all we have to write our problem, that is 64 to the power x is equal to x to the power 192. So here if we take 1 over x as a power on both hand side, so here we get 64 to the power x whole to the power 1 over x, which is equal to x to the power 192 whole to the power 1 over x. Now our next step will be, according to here exponential identities, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So here it will be 64 to the power x times 1 over x, which is equal to x to the power 192 times 1 over x. Here this x can be cancelled out, so we have 64 is equal to x to the power 192 over x, 192 over x. So here if we just take 192, 1 over 192 as a power on both hand side, so here we get 1 over 192, which is equal to x to the power 192 over x whole to the power 1 over 192. So our next step is 64, here 64 to the power 1 over 192, which is equal to cancelling this 192 with 192, so we get x to the power 1 over x. Now here on our left hand side, this 64 can be written as 64 is equal to 8 squared, and 8 can be written as 2 cubed whole squared, and it is also equal to 2 to the power 3 times 2 is 6. So here this 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6, and here we have times 1 over 92, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. So here we know that 6 1 is 6, 6 3s are 18, and 1 12, so 6 2s are 12, so 2 to the power 1 over 32, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now here we have, if we just multiply and divide 2 with exponent on our left hand side, then we have x to the power 1 over x. Here we see that 2 to the power, if we just multiply 2 times 1 is 2, and 32 times 2 is 64, so here we have 2 over 64, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now here 2 over 64, this 2 over 64 can be written as, if we just write this 2 to the power this 2 and whole to the power 1 over 64, so there is no difference, then x is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now this 2 squared is equal to 4, and we have 4 to the power 1 over 64, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now if we again multiply and divide 2 as a power on our left hand side, then we get, here we have, so here we have 4 to the power, if we just multiply 2 times 1 is 2, and 64 times 2 is 128, so we just write here that 4 to the power 2 over 128, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now here 4 squared whole to the power 1 over 128, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now here this 4 squared is equal to 16 whole to the power 128 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now here we are going to again multiply and divide 2 with power on left hand side, so here x to the power 1 over x. Now 16 whole to the power 2 1 is 2, and 128 times 2 is 200, 256 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now 16 squared whole to the power 1 over 256 is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now this 16 squared is equal to 256 whole to the power 1 over 256, which is equal to x to the power 1 over x. Now comparing the bases on both hand side, so we see that here 256 and all to the power 1 over 256, and similarly x to the power 1 over x. So comparing both sides, we get x is equal to 256. So it is the final value of x that we have just find out by using this method. And we have also another method to solve the value of x. So now starting our second method, here we have second method to find the value of x from this problem. So according to this method, we have to write our problem, which is 64 to the power x is equal to x to the power 192. So taking natural log on both hand side, then we get natural log of 64 to the power x is equal to natural log of x to the power 192. As we know that if we have natural log of a to the power m, it is equal to m natural log of a. So here it can be written as x times natural log of 64, which is equal to 192 times natural log of x. Now here this 64 can be written as x times natural log of 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 64, and it is equal to 192 natural log of x. Now our next step will be using again the same law here. Then we get 6 times x times natural log of 2, which is equal to 192 times natural log of x. Now dividing this 6 on both hand side, so here we get this 6 can be cancelled out, so x times natural log of 2 is equal to, here we get 32, so 32 times natural log of x. Now dividing both hand side by 32x, so dividing on our left hand side 32x and dividing on our right hand side 32x. So this x can be cancelled out with this one, and this 32 can be cancelled out with 32. So we get here that natural log of 2 over 32 is equal to natural log of x over x. Now our next step will be, so here if we just multiply and divide by 8 on our left hand side, then we have 8 over 8 times natural log of 2 over 32 is equal to natural log of x over x. So here 8 times natural log of 2 over, if we just multiply 32 times 8, we get 256, which is equal to natural log of x over x. So here 8 times natural log of 2 over 256 is also equal to 2 to the power 8, that is natural log of x over x. So here we have, as we know that if we have 1 over a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power minus n. So here this 2 to the power 8 will be 2 to the power minus 8 times 8 times natural log of 2 is equal to, here we just using the same identity, so we get x to the power minus 1 times natural log of x. So now as we know that if we have natural log of let's say we have just e to the power natural log of a, then it is equal to a. Similarly, if we just write e to the power that natural log of 2 to the power minus 8, it is equal to 2 to the power minus 8. And similarly here we just use this step, so we get e to the power natural log of 2 to the power minus 8 times 8 times natural log of 2 is equal to, similarly we just use the same step here, then we get e to the power natural log of x to the power minus 1 times natural log of x. So here, by using the logarithm law, then we just shift this minus 8. So we have e to the power minus 8 natural log of 2 times 8 times natural log of 2 is equal to, here e to the power, shifting this minus 1, we get minus natural log of x times natural log of x. As we want to use lambda w function, so here we have to just multiply with minus 1 on both hand side. First of all, we have to just change this on these terms here. So 8 times natural log of 2 times e to the power minus 8 natural log of 2 is equal to, here we have natural log of x times e to the power minus natural log of x. As we have to require this exponent and this one is same, so here we have negative sign. Similarly, on our right hand side we see that it is also negative, so we have to just multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So here we have minus times 8 natural log of 2 times e to the power minus 8 natural log of 2 is equal to, here we have minus natural log of x times e to the power minus natural log of x. Now using lambda w function, so according to lambda w function, we have that lambda w function, it is given by lambda w function times a times e to the power a, it is equal to a. So here, applying lambda w function on both hand side, we get lambda w function times minus 8 natural log of 2 times e to the power minus 8 natural log of 2 is equal to lambda w function times minus natural log of x times e to the power minus natural log of x. So here in lambda w function, here if we have a, then exponent should be the same, which is a. Then lambda w function on this one, we get the same result as a. So here we have minus 8 natural log of 2 and the exponent is same. So we just write that it is equal to minus 8 natural log of 2, which is equal to, here using the same that function, so we get minus natural log of x. Now cancelling negative sign on both hand side, so here we get that 8 times natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of x. Now we have 8 times natural log of 2 is equal to, here we have natural log of x. So as we know that if we have m times natural log of a is equal to natural log of a to the power m. So here it can be written as natural log of 2 to the power 8 is equal to natural log of x. Now cancelling this natural log on both hand side, we get x is equal to 2 to the power 8, and here x is equal to 2 to the power 8 is equal to 256. 256. So we have just find out the value of x here. So now checking our entire solution here, it was our second method that we have find out the value of x. In both methods we get the same result here. So we can also verify this problem using the value of x. So let us consider, here we have value of x which is 256. So for verification we just recall our problem, that is 64 to the power x is equal to x to the power 192. So for verification we have to put the value of x, which is 256, it is the value of x. So here we have 64 to the power 256, is it equal to 256 to the power 192. Now this 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 and times 256, is it equal to 256 is also equal to 2 to the power 8 and times 192. Now we have 2 to the power, multiplying 6 times 6 we get 36, 3 carry, 6 times 5 is 30, and 3 we have 33. So we just write here 3 and 3 carry here, 6 2 times is 12 and 3 15. So here we have 2 to the power 100, that 1536. Is it equal to, here we have 2 to the power 8 times 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 times 9 is 72 and 1 73, we get 7 carry, 8 1 is 8 and 7 is 15. So here we see that 2 to the power 1536 is equal to 2 to the power 1536. So we have proved that our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. So the value of x is valid for this problem that we have just verified our answer here. So now checking here our entire solution step by step. So it is our first method. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.